My name is Eric Lundgren. I teach the skilled trades at Copper Island Academy. Well, the goals today was to get kids exposed to careers in Upper Michigan and also to see the other side of a product that we got to work with directly at the school there. We poured a concrete slab and the kids got to use the GatorBar, and it was really good for them to see the other end of the product, you know, as far as manufacturing, how the process is and how it's made, and to see a good product in Upper Michigan be from start to finish. You know, it's really cool. As far as careers too, if you get kids interested in, it's not just one thing that they do here. There's a multitude of different occupations, skill sets, and a whole variety of different things that kids could do here, you know, as far as a career someday. And they could stay in Upper Michigan. It's unique to have that opportunity here. A lot of jobs are outsourced into bigger places, and it lets kids know that there's still good high-paying jobs in our area. What makes our class unique, I think, is our hands-on, that we're putting the rubber to the road for the students. You know, they're getting to actually do, you know, not just a little bit of the book, but more of the hands-on we focus on, to getting them actually producing and doing the skills and the projects, you know, to let them do them. They learn to work through adversity and make mistakes while still being safe and learning. So I think that's what makes us unique here at Copper Island.